Baby night and the Uncle Nana Show.
I punch fun.
Oh, cotton candy. You want cotton candy? You have one. You like it. You dedicate it. You wanna push me? No. Okay. Don't push me. It's so deep. Yeah, it's so deep.
You dance.
Shall I jump in the wua? No, I won't. Wow. Wow. You hold it. Say thank you. Okay, your turn.
Naturals, eat it.
Yeah, let's sit down here.
Come over here.
Let's find a seat. Dali.
Mic sound check, 1, 2, 3. Alright, hello everyone, good afternoon. Open na tulog. Just take your time ha. We'll just wait for the other guests. Pero I think in a few minutes we will start. And by the way, while waiting for the other guests, para di tayo masyadong bored, we have an inflatable playground, especially for the kids. And then we do have also a face painter. Tumuhat to natin face painter. Kaya para hindi tayo masyadong bored, especially mga bata, they can play laanay for a while. And also, we have their face painter and then some snacks. If you're hungry, kung baga igugutom na, pwede na snacks. Okay? Once again, I think in a few minutes we will start. Once you are done playing or mag-snack, mayroon ko sa mga bata kindly come forward. Magkita ka di tables and chairs in front. Once again, kung okay ng mga bata, kung naka-play na, kaya I think in a few minutes, magtitigat na kita, mayroon ko sa mga bata to sit down, to come forward. Kaya para makarest ka nila, pamahitan nila mga balhas, para once mag-start kita na itong program, yan, fresh nila. Okay, once again guys, by the way,
bye. You've yucky face. Don't worry, I have wipes here.
Later, so if you want some super picture, once again later, we will have okay. Ayan. So, thank you so much kay Kuya ang kumanta.
Hinay mabagang mahulog.
Kaya, ubitin kami. They want more. Once again, mabalik Kuya para kumanta outro. Okay? So, once again,
niyan.
Just take your time. You can walk around. If you want. Magugutom na, okay lang.
Oh, wow. We're gonna have a magic show.
Isla Louise.
Say happy birthday, Ayla!
Happy birthday, Ayla!
We have also surprises later. May kita games. We do have also surprises for the games later. What else? We have a magic show. And then we have a surprise for you. And later, we will witness the blowing of the first ever birthday candle ni Baby Ayla. Okay? So for now, before kita magtigang, ipapakilala ko ana natin birthday girl. Okay? Guys, may I have your attention please? Ipapakilala ko natin na birthday girl. Of course, makakakantahan natin yan happy birthday song. Okay? Let's clap her. By the way, may I request everyone to please stand. Alam kita pagkatindog as we welcome our birthday girl together. Punta niya. Ayan. Ni Mami. Let's sing the happy birthday song. Pero di rin pa yung mablo. Okay? Di rin pa yung mablo. Sige, music please. Please welcome Beijing. Kids, face here. Kan kuya, this one. Haiya. 1, 2, 3, smile. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Kids, walking like this. Walking. Walking. Face to the camera. Last one, say happy birthday. You shout happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Oh, say the name. Happy birthday, Ayla. Please welcome Minnie and Mickey Mouse!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Oh boy, it's so cool. But I'm tired, but let's do it again. Okay, let's go. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and nose and ears and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, faster. No, toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders. Yay! So that's it, kids. Good job. Now you have to congratulate yourself and sit down. It's our time to eat. Okay, again. Head, shoulders, clap, clap, clap. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and nose and ears and mouth. Hip, hip, hooray! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and nose and ears and mouth. Mouse. E-N-T. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Woohoo! Faster! So faster. Everyone will roll. Clap and go and shark, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, clap clap, baby shark. Ooh! Come on, Nitro. Sige na. Laksi na. Uy, buhat. And clap clap. Sige na. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean and the deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Oh, faster. If you wanna do it faster. And now and left and right and go and closer, closer and da. Sing it out. Oh, yay, good job, kids. Bye-bye, Mickey Mouse.
Picture na. Para niyan, baka
Look.
rest lo atira. Okay? Sige, may I request everyone to please stand once again for the blessing of the food. Alayo na pagkatindog.
Don't worry, you won't have one. Look. Wow, it's so cool. T-Rex on his eyes. And you have the same color. Same color of your shirt. Green. Green. Green dinosaur. Green t-shirt.
Yeah.
You can be